Hi, officer. I need to report a scam.
I'm sorry to hear that. Please, have a seat and tell me what happened.
I was contacted on social media by a person who seemed friendly and offered me a great investment opportunity.
That sounds like a common scam tactic. They often lure people in with the promise of easy money.
I know, but I was convinced. He seemed so genuine, and the investment opportunity looked promising.
In these cases, scammers are very good at creating a sense of trust and urgency. They might pressure you to invest quickly before you have a chance to think things through.
That's exactly what happened. He pressured me to invest a large sum of money right away.
Did you do any research on the investment opportunity or the person who contacted you?
No, I was too eager and didn't think it through. Now I realize I made a huge mistake.
It's understandable. Scammers are very good at manipulating people. But don't worry, we'll do everything we can to investigate and try to recover your money.
Really? That would be amazing. I lost a significant amount of money.
I can imagine. Please file a police report with all the details of the scam, including any social media profiles, messages, or bank transactions you have related to the scammer.
Sure, I'll do that.
In the meantime, here are some tips to avoid falling victim to online scams in the future. Asterisk, be wary of unsolicited investment offers, especially those that promise high returns with little risk. Asterisk, do your research before investing in anything. Verify the legitimacy of the company and the investment opportunity. Asterisk, don't feel pressure to invest quickly. Take your time to research and make an informed decision. Asterisk, never share your personal or financial information with someone you don't know and trust. Asterisk, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is.
Thank you, officer. I'll definitely be more careful in the future. I feel terrible for falling victim to this scam.
Don't blame yourself. Scammers are very cunning, but by reporting this and spreading awareness, we can help prevent others from falling for the same scam.
You're right. I'll definitely share my experience with others.
That's a great idea. If you remember any other details about the scammer or the scam itself, please let us know.
I will. Thank you so much for your help, officer.
You're welcome. We'll be in touch if we have any updates on your case.